Wait, where's the minda bird? Wait, no, I'll jump over. Hold on. No, don't do it. Where's wait, minda bird? Where is it?
To the right behind that tree.
Yeah, right. There you go. There you go, guys. That's a minda bird. Has it got its wings out yet?
No.
Alright. It's got a minda.
When we get past the tree.
Yeah. Ow! Frick. Say hello to YouTube, Corey.
Hello.
Oh my! I'll stand out here. Ew, Jimmy.
Look, go on out.
Yeah, right. Minda bird. Yeah, right. Oh, come on, I've lost it. I can't. There it is. See, minda bird. Oh, there it goes. Okay, what a pussy. There's a fish, is there?
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, I couldn't get on the camera. Oh well.
Just watch it on here.
What's that?
Can you see it well?
I can see how deep we are, but no, can't see anything else. I'll just record out in there. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Check that out, YouTube.
There's 2 now.
What, 2?
I missed it. There's one.
Damn it.
There's one here.
It's so shitty, I can't get it through there. So I'm not going to do it with the camera. Sorry, guys. We're still going.
There's a bird up there in the water.
0 k's an hour.
There's a bird in the water.
Where's the minda bird? Where's the minda bird?
This one under the water over there.
Alright.
You might see him again.
I might see him. Thanks. Yeah. So, Corey, what's it like driving a boat?
Struggle.
Struggle? How's it a struggle?
You have to be careful.
Alright, what else?
And precise.
Alright. And also watch out for logs. And stuff.
Keep your eyes open and watch the waterways.
Yeah. And how do you hook on a boat so you don't have to chase after it?
What?
How do you put a boat on the trailer so you don't have to chase after it?
There's one below us.
There's one? Nah, sorry, I can't get in the camera. I got 2 minutes left of recording.
That's weird because we're in 2.3 meters of water. Oh, you just missed out. Is that waterproof?
What, this?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
Damn, so I can't throw it in.
It's like Duncan on. Hey guys, look, it's all murky.
I wonder why. Where's that bird? Oh, he's gone now.
Oh, no.
It's just over there. See those weeds at the second bit? Just near those logs. They just came up. Just keep watching over there.
Yeah, we're looking at your head right now.
Why?
Because we are. Driving the boat.
One under us again.
Yeah. Driving. Driving the boat. Wait, where's the minda bird?
Out there. You see him? Oh, he just went under.
Oh, damn, he just went under again. Bam. Stupid minda birds.
There's another one in there. A little stupid looking one. See?
Oh, there it is. Is that a minda bird? No, it looks like a duck. Looks like a duck.
That's a bird. There's 2 others as well.
That's...
Minda bird might come up again.
I can't see. Right.
There's another fish under us.
That's a duck. That's a duck. I can even see it through the camera. It's a duck.
There's another fish. There's another fish. We got heaps here. There's like, look.
Holy crap, that's a lot of fish.
There's 4 fish under us now.
Yeah. Can we say bye to YouTube?
Bye.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
To who?
Rogue 5355.
And don't forget to subscribe to TheAussieslife. Bye bye.